Welcome back to my channel Sam with Cam, where I am always on the move to find a new offbeat destination, where there is more wilderness and less footprints. Like my video, subscribe to my channel and join me on my journey. Leaving behind the wonderful memories of Darjeeling and Lamahata, we now move towards our second destination, Aholdara. Aholdara is a small hamlet in the town of Kurseong in Darjeeling district. A lot of people know this village as Sitong. Aholdara is the highest peak over there. On our way to Sitong, we are going to visit the second largest tea estate of Darjeeling district, Mohaldiram. Mohaldiram Tea Estate is a beautiful valley filled with tea garden, situated at an altitude of 5,800 feet, always offering a playful view of the clouds and mist. On a clear sunny day, one can easily spot the Kanchenjunga peaks from here. I even gave an opportunity to my taste buds to taste a locally made tea from these local tea leaves. The only drawback being a tourist cannot buy tea from the Mohaldiram Tea Estate. These tea leaves are directly exported to authorized companies. But nevertheless, one can easily spend an entire day at this Mohaldiram Tea Estate, enjoying the magnificent view that it offers and feeling the cold, chilly, cloudy winds. In 2016, I had my first view of the Aholdara hilltop, and I instantly decided that one day I have to come back here to spend a night and camp. This is the checkpost where you have to buy a ticket of 50 rupees for a car and 10 rupees for pedestrians, and enter the Aholdara Sunrise Point, where our Humro homestay is situated, maintained by Mr. Padam Guru. It was time to check the facilities provided by this homestay. One single bed and one double bed was comfortable enough for 3 of us, at the cost of 1300 per head, including food and stay, consisting of a 4-time meal and 300 rupees extra for a bonfire. I was worried about the washroom, how would it be, but this looks pretty perfect. Alright, this is pretty good. We were served with our evening snacks and tea, and it was time for the bonfire. It was my first experience at a 5 million star hotel, and we were not disappointed. We could really see a million stars, and we also spotted the constellation Orion. Instead of playing some music, we decided to sing a song, each one of us. It was one of the most beautiful and unforgettable nights I have ever lived on this planet. The warmth of fire and my friends were deeply felt and touched my heart. Very good morning. The reason why this place is called the Sunrise Viewpoint of Aholdara, I have that with me right now. this is how beautiful this place actually is right now. It's absolutely serene. I can see those clouds down there. This place is beautiful, majestic. One of those places in the entire world, in the whole world, where you should definitely come and spend at least one of your nights and then do a camp over here and experience this majestic morning, a beautiful sunrise.
One does not need to meditate over here. One can easily feel a spiritual connection piercing through his heart and touch his soul.
So serene, so quiet. Look at this. There is no sound here. Akashda, কেমন লাগছে বস?
অসাধারণ। এরকম পিসফুল এনভায়রনমেন্ট অনেক দিন পরে। কালকে লামাহাটা খুব চুপচাপ ছিল, খুব এমটি এনভায়রনমেন্ট ছিল, কিন্তু এটা রাইট অন টপ অফ আ মাউন্টেন। We can almost see Kanchenjunga over there, but unfortunately weather is not cooperating with us these days. But it's an amazing experience.
কাঞ্চনজঙ্ঘা খালি চোখে তো দেখা যাচ্ছে, কিন্তু ক্যামেরায় তোলা যাচ্ছে না। হোপফুলি কালকে গেলে দেখা গেলেও যেতে পারে। 3 দিন আগে অবধি খুব ভিজিবল ছিল, বাট আমরা যে 2 দিনের জন্য এসেছি সেই 2 দিন ধরে একদমই দেখা যাচ্ছে না। My friends, those who understand Hindi, those who do not understand Bengali, and those who understand English, I'm trying to mix the languages in my videos so that actually this place is much native to West Bengal, and most of my viewers is going to be Bengali and who are going to make weekend plans over here. So I'm going to mix my language in these videos. So kind of cooperate with me. I'm going to provide subtitles whenever possible so that everybody can understand. And the people who are staying away from West Bengal, I'm requesting you to not to promote the West Bengal tourism, but West Bengal is one of those states in this entire world that has snow-capped mountains and beautiful beaches, both to offer beautiful forests, wildlife and what not, everything, each and everything. Darjeeling is one of the best producers of tea in this entire world, and the entire tea plantations is magnificent. Just come and see the quality of these tea gardens, how green and how healthy it is. And the best thing that I can suggest is just do not stay in Darjeeling, because that's quite a city, crowded place.
Absolutely. It's one of the most beautiful places I've ever seen. It's very peaceful. It's budget friendly as well. It's not over the top. Disconnect from your 4G life, from the fast life. Come and live among nature for a few days. See how that feels, and I'm sure you won't be disappointed.
So this is Sitong 3, which is called Aholdara Sunrise Viewpoint. The exact the resort that is over here it belongs to Padam Gurum. You will have to contact him. I'll share his number right over here on the screen. You may see that and note it down, and then you can call him. He's a very, very genuine and a very good person who actually takes very good care of his guests. He will call you from the time of your booking. He is going to confirm everything. He's going to arrange everything for you. Even if you can't find a car, it is best that you just give him a call. He will send you a very good Scorpio in a very good condition wherever you want.
As our breakfast was ready, it was time to say bye to Aholdara and leave for Tumling, our third destination.
We have दीदी with us. इन्होंने कल बहुत अच्छा हमारे साथ रहे हैं हमको बहुत अच्छे से होस्ट किया है, हमको बहुत अच्छे से खाना बना के खिलाया है. वी आर वेरी हैप्पी टू हैव. और आज भी सुबह इतना गरम गरम अच्छा सा नान बनाया. इतना अच्छा नान मैं बहुत कम खाया हूँ. आपका हाथ का सच में बहुत ही अच्छा है. थैंक यू फॉर डूइंग सो मच फॉर अस. टाइम टू से बाय टू अहोलदारा. नाउ वी आर मूविंग टू तुमलिंग. तुमलिंग जाने के लिए हमको पहले जाने पड़ेगा मानेभंजन. फिर मानेभंजन से हम एक फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट का गाड़ी होगा लैंड रोवर, उसको लेके जाना पड़ेगा क्योंकि बाहर का गाड़ी सिंगरीला फॉरेस्ट, सिंगरीला नेशनल पार्क के अंदर अलाउड नहीं है. और वहाँ के जो फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट है उनका गाड़ी बाहर ऑपरेट नहीं करता. तो ऐसा ही है कि बाहर का गाड़ी लेके मानेभंजन तक जाना होता है. फिर वहाँ से फॉरेस्ट चेक पोस्ट से रजिस्टर करके गाड़ी भाड़ा लेके अंदर जाना पड़ेगा. वो एग्जैक्टली फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट का गाड़ी होगा. सो हमारा ये गाड़ी तो फ़िलहाल रेडी है. हम यहाँ से निकल जाएंगे और फिर मानेभंजन से दूसरा. और पदम गुरुंग जी यहाँ पे आए थे सुबह, हमारे साथ बात किया, स्नैक्स किया और हमको बहुत हेल्प किया. एक दो कॉन्टैक्ट्स दिए मानेभंजन में जो कि बहुत ही एफिशिएंट है बिज़नेस के मामले में. फॉर टूरिज़म बिज़नेस उनके अंदर बहुत सारा कार टूरिज़म और होटल बिज़नेस भी आता है. तो उनका जान पहचान बहुत अच्छा है. तो हमको रेफ़र किया है, उनका नंबर भी शेयर किया है, मिस्टर चिरिंग. हम जाके कॉल करेंगे उनको और देखते हैं क्या होता है.
It's 8:32 in the morning and we are leaving for Tumling. The weather looks bright. We don't know if we can see Kanchenjunga over there. But there is one thing that I realized on this trip, that why do I travel? I travel because my eyes see a new frame each and every second that fills my heart with joy.